Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to display the ports on your map on the OnCourse application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the three lines at the upper right corner of the screen, and in the view section you can find the first option, the layers. New, at the left side on the screen you can find the second option, the ports, and if you want to enable, just click to the next white circle. And new, the ports is displayed on your map. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.